New Unity AI is insane. And if you're building anything in Unity right now, you need to stop what you're doing and pay attention to this. Unity just dropped their full AI system into open beta, available to every developer on Unity 6 and above, right now, today. And this isn't a chatbot panel they bolted onto the side of the editor. Unity's agent actually reads your project, your scenes, your assets, your scripts, knows what you're building. Then it acts on it. That's the thing most people are going to miss when they skim the headline. The agent doesn't just give you suggestions, it does things. It writes code, edits scenes, modifies game objects, and then checks if the changes worked inside your editor while you watch. And here's what makes it genuinely different from every other AI tool that's been bolted onto a game engine over the last 2 years. Unity's agent has been trained on 20 years of Unity-specific knowledge. It's not a general-purpose model that's been told to guess how Unity works. It knows the editor. It knows the workflows. It knows what game developers actually do when they ship games. The context it has access to includes your scene hierarchy, your settings, your packages, your assets, and your target platforms. That's the full picture of your project. Most AI tools are working blind. This one isn't. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Tell me, what's the first thing you'd want AI to do for you automatically? Drop it down there. Let's get into it. Now, here's where it gets structural. He built 3 things at once. The AI assistant, the in-editor agent, the AI gateway, which lets you plug in Claude, Gemini, Codex, or any external AI you already use, and the MCP server, which lets any external AI tool control the Unity editor directly from your IDE. Those 3 things together are not just a toolset, they're infrastructure. Unity just became the platform that AI agents run on top of, not just a tool that has AI in it. Unity's own agent is the default option. The AI gateway means you're not locked in. If you're already running Claude for your workflows, you connect it via gateway. Bypasses Unity's credit system entirely, your external agent, your costs, your setup. Unity just acts as the bridge. And the MCP server takes it one step further. MCP, Model Context Protocol, is the standard that lets AI agents talk to external tools. Unity now has an official MCP server, which means you can sit in your IDE, type a prompt to Claude or Cursor or whatever you're using, and that prompt executes inside the Unity editor, across the room, without you touching it. Developers at CoPlay have been testing this since earlier this year. The MCP bridge from their GitHub repo already supports 21 physics actions, full profiler controls, scene management, asset creation, all callable from external agents. Unity just made this the official standard. That's the setup. Quick pause here. If you're watching this and thinking, I want to actually learn how to use Unity AI and tools like this to automate my business and save time, the AI Profit Boardroom is where that happens. We've got a 30-day roadmap specifically for learning AI agents and automation tools, 4 coaching calls every week, where we break down how to implement systems like the ones Unity AI is built on, MCP, agent workflows, prompt-to-output pipelines. Business owners in there right now learning exactly this. If you want step-by-step tutorials on using AI automation tools to save time and grow your business using these exact kinds of agentic systems, links in the description. Go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Back to Unity AI. The skills system is something that's going to get more attention over time. Inside the agent, skills are modular expertise modules. Right now, there's a Cinemachine skill for camera work. Documentation makes clear you can discover and invoke skills using natural language prompts. More skills are coming. Think about what that means long term. He ships a skill for UI layout, a skill for physics setup, a skill for performance optimization. You just tell the agent which skill to activate. Specialized knowledge for that area. Executes within that domain. Custom skills will likely come, letting studios define their own workflows and bake them into the agent. That's not speculation. The docs confirm skills exist in both AS mode and agent mode. In agent mode, they can perform tool-enabled actions. That architecture is built for expansion. The MCP server is the part of this announcement that the game development community hasn't fully processed yet. MCP as a protocol has been growing fast. Anthropic introduced it. Claude supports it. Cursor supports it. VS Code Copilot supports it. GitHub Copilot CLI supports it. The CoPlay GitHub repo, which built their own Unity MCP before Unity shipped an official one, has been downloaded thousands of times. Unity shipping an official MCP server means they're betting on the same infrastructure that the rest of the AI agent world is building on. That's not a small call. That's Unity saying, our editor is a node in the broader AI agent network. Not just a tool, a node. What that means practically, any future AI system that supports MCP can, in theory, control Unity. The editor becomes callable. build pipelines, testing frameworks, automated QA systems. These can all interface with Unity through the same protocol, without Unity needing to build specific integrations for each one. This is infrastructure thinking, and it's the right call. For solo developers, the immediate value is obvious. Tasks that used to require Googling documentation, writing boilerplate setup code, or manually clicking through editor menus, the agent handles them. You describe what you want, it does it, you approve it, you move on. For teams, the value is slightly different. The agent handles the tedious setup work, which means senior developers spend time on the problems that actually need them. Junior developers work faster because they have a knowledgeable collaborator that knows the editor cold. For anyone building with Unity as part of a larger production pipeline, content studios, simulation companies, anyone using Unity for non-game real-time 3D, the MCP server means Unity can be a component in automated workflows that run across multiple tools. Your AI agent in one environment can reach into Unity, make changes, pull data, and feed it back into whatever system you're orchestrating. The developers who figure out how to build efficient AI-assisted pipelines inside Unity over the next 6 months are going to have a significant production speed advantage. We're already seeing this in software development broadly. Teams that integrated AI agents into their workflows earlier are shipping faster. The same curve is coming for game development. Ideas don't cost what they used to. Testing 10 ideas instead of one is now a realistic option for teams that couldn't afford to do that before. That changes how you develop. It changes what you're willing to try. It changes the risk profile of ambitious projects. The constraint for most developers isn't creativity, it's throughput. How fast can you go from idea to testable implementation? Unity AI is directly addressing that constraint. Here's what to do with this right now. If you're on Unity 6 or above, install the AI Assistant package. Run the free trial. Give it a real task from your current project, not a demo task, not create a cube, but something you actually need done. See how the agent handles it. See what it gets right, what it misses, what requires your correction. That hands-on test is how you calibrate whether this saves you time. And you'll have that answer within an afternoon, right? Before you go. If you want the full step-by-step breakdown of how to use AI agentic tools like Unity AI in your business, not just in game development, but across automation, content, lead generation, and saving time, that's exactly what we do inside the iProfit Boardroom. We've got a 30-day roadmap that walks you through setting up AI automation systems from scratch, 4 live coaching calls every week where you can ask questions about your specific setup, daily tutorials covering new tools as they ship, and a community of 2,800 business owners who are already running AI automation in their businesses. A lot of them are using agent-based workflows right now, the same kind of infrastructure Unity is building on. If you want to know how to build that for your business and stop wasting hours on tasks AI can handle, link is in the description or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And if you want the full video notes from this episode, every source I used, and access to 100 plus AI use cases, you can apply right now. Join the AI Success Lab. It's free. 1,000 members in there who are already using AI to work faster. Links in the comments and description. See you in there.